Exactly 1 year ago, I switched from physical SIM to eSIM, and I can tell you from experience, I am not going back to physical SIM for a whole lot of reasons. Let me start by apologizing to a lot of my girlfriends that have collected their earring to use as SIM ejector tool because I can't really keep up with keeping SIM ejector tools. So that's off my bucket list right now. There are a whole lot of other security features, and that ease of moving your eSIM from one phone to the other. Of course, there is a downside. Not every phone can do eSIM, so you probably have to use flagship phones. So come with me. Let me take you through the process of how I switched from the physical SIM to eSIM on this, our first vlog series. And if you like this vlog, maybe inside the car, outside videos, let me know in the comment section so we can do more of that. So let's get started. So the plan is to go to Glo customer service shop and to start up the eSIM application or whatever it takes. It's already looking cloudy here in Port Harcourt, and yeah, there's also traffic and this is kind of around midday. So from the traffic, we'll now move on to the rain, and it's quite a rainy day. But of course, I'm going to go to Glo office, the customer service shop, to either register or set up my eSIM. I actually have about 4 or 5 active SIM card, about 2 for calls and then 3 for data, different stuff. So here is the Glo customer service shop I've used over years, and I parked only to realize that they have closed this shop. Wow. And there are still people out here registering SIM cards. It's funny. So they now direct me to go to the other end of town, so I'll still have to go there because my goal is to see my Glo to become the eSIM, then my MTN, which is like my personal line, to be something that I'm going to be using, switching from one phone to the other, because I do jump around phones, test phones, do all that. It's quite a strong journey under the rain. I mean, you can see. So I'm going to another Glo shop that is a little bit far from the first one, but yeah. Okay, finally got there. There is this connection between Glo and Connoy. Sometimes I used to share stuff. So there is a Glo shop inside here. So I'm expecting I'm going to get my eSIM here and get everything started. So if you don't know what to do about eSIM, just go to the customer service shop for your network and then you get the right answer. A lot of people said a lot of things, so I want to get the real truth now about it. So that is me going inside. And I went in with excitement, and I asked the man, the customer service, like, what are you guys doing? Like, wow, Boldly told me that they are not doing eSIM. And of course, I'm already angry that they are not doing 5G in 2023. And now they are not doing eSIM. Come on, guys. That's a joke. Seriously, I am disappointed with Glo. I mean, the first office was closed. That's where their major office was before. And now I came to the second one, and Glo in 2023 it's not doing eSIM services. They are not doing 5G services in Nigeria, no eSIM services. And even 1 year, yes, 1 year after that experience, Glo Nigeria is still not doing 5G service, and they're not still doing eSIM. Come on, guys. That sucks. Of course, I have no choice than to jump to MTN or just try MTN, which is not my plan. The initial plan is to have my Glo on eSIM, but now I have to go try and see whether I can get that done with MTN. Let's go. So I stepped into NGCom. Shout out to NGCom, my home fiber provider, before I now hit MTN office. So of course I knew someone, my childhood friend, works in this MTN customer service shop, and I just sat down. He just told me relax. He's gonna get it done for me, and it didn't take much. Give me a form to fill. So, and collected my phone, and I filled that little form there. She collected my phone, and just in 5-10 minutes, it was done. I mean, I was like, what? Are you done? Yeah. She told me, I'm done. I was like, no, that's not possible. So it's very easy. So yes, it was way easier than I thought. I mean, I was thinking that the eSIM is going to take a lot, bring this, bring that. No, it was so quick. I was like, wow, interesting. So what did I do with my physical SIM? yes, I chewed my physical SIM. Like, I had to chew it, and throw it away. I had to destroy it because I'm not going to need it. And it's been 1 year. I don't need physical SIM because of the ease. In the next video, I'm going to show you how I quickly switch my eSIM from the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra to my iPhone, and from my iPhone to S24 Ultra, and it's so easy. If you get into this thing, you just don't want to go back to physical SIM. Yeah, so that's it. That's the first of our vlog series. Let me know if you like this. Let me hear from you in the comment section. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, follow whichever one that is available where you're watching it from, and make sure to comment. Make sure to like and share this. Until I see you in the next one, it is peace to our world. Subscribe. I see you.